All right, we got a cold start here. Prime kicks. Choke off. Key on. The bike does not smoke, it's just really cold out. Really, really clean, nice bike. Runs excellent. Oh. Nice quiet motor. No ticking, no leaking. Starts first kick every time, hot or cold. Really just a nice clean, shut the gas off here. Really nice, clean, totally unmolested bike. Never been apart. I got it from the second owner and he's owned it longer than I've been alive, which is pretty fucking long. Again, doesn't need anything. It had been sitting for 25 years in a heated basement. Took the carburetor off. Did a new pump kit on it. Went right through it, put it through the ultrasonic, new gasket up against the manifold. Lubed all the cables, had to rebuild the master cylinder and the front caliper, got an OEM brake line for it. And took the tank off, cleaned it all out. No rust in there, it's clean as a whistle, but you know, got some nasty old gas in there. Nice clean tank, no rust at all, nothing, smooth, nothing. And it's just a really, really beautiful original bike. You know, not restored at all. This thing's never even had the stock exhaust taking off of it. All the original wires. Just a real nice original bike. These are really hard to find. No reproduction decals. All real stuff, Yankee blankers, yada yada. Nothing changed. Nothing. You'd be hard pressed to find a nicer 74 Sportster than this. And if you wanted to really make it nice, I haven't even detailed this thing. I just sprayed it with the hose because I know some people like it dirty, but this is a really clean bike. Look how nice and white the number paint still is. Just a really sweet machine.